Bungo Stray Dogs arguably has had its best season yet. With a consistent 2 back-to-back cores and a weekly showcase of outplay, this season kept me on my toes. Everything from the true plans of the Decay of Angels to the detective agency fighting for their survival was a very unexpected approach to a new arc. The best part is that the series seems to be doing something very unique given the finale. From my understanding, the anime actually managed to go past the manga and even announcing a continuation given the final scene. This is a very unique situation that you tend to not see a lot for different animes, but I have full faith that when we do return, things will only get better. If there is one thing I will miss though, it's that ending song because it was an absolute banger way to close out an episode.